Welcome back to another new video. Like, share and subscribe our channel. We're diving into the latest flagship device from ZTE's Nubia brand, the Z50s Pro. This phone has a lot of amazing features, but the most impressive one is undoubtedly its camera setup. So, let's get right into it and explore what the Z50s Pro has to offer. The Z50s Pro boasts a sleek and stylish design with a flat frame and back, complemented by an elegant glass finish that mimics the texture of leather. It's available in two standard colors, black coffee and khaki. The back houses a circular camera module housing 3 powerful lenses for photography, and there's even a dedicated physical button for capturing photos, adding to the convenience. On the front, we have a stunning 6.78-inch flat AMOLED display with a full HD+ resolution, ensuring sharp visuals. With a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a lightning-fast 1000Hz instantaneous peak sampling rate, the screen is highly responsive to touch. The display supports an impressive 1.07 billion colors and covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, promising truly breathtaking visuals. Moreover, with its all-platinum low blue light eye protection certification, the Z50s Pro aims to reduce eye strain, making it ideal for extended use. Under the hood, the Z50s Pro packs a punch with a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Advanced Edition, an overclocked version of the chip, boasting a peak clock speed of 3.36 GHz. With a staggering score of over 1.6 million points on the Antutu benchmark, this device showcases its immense power and performance. In terms of storage, you have 3 options to choose from: 12GB plus 256GB, 12GB plus 1TB, and a top-of-the-line 16GB plus 1TB configuration, ensuring you have ample space for all your apps, media, and files. With a large 5100 mAh battery supporting 80-watt fast charging, the Z50s Pro keeps you going all day long. Additionally, the phone incorporates a vapor chamber cooling system, ensuring the hardware stays cool even during intense usage. Running on the minimalist and clutter-free MyOS 13, the Z50s Pro provides a seamless user experience with only 8 pre-installed applications, keeping things clean and efficient. In terms of connectivity, you're covered with options like mobile 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, infrared, and GPS. The phone also boasts features like DTS-X Ultra dual stereo speakers, an X-axis linear motor, and a physical slider, making it a joy to use. Now, let's talk about the highlight of the Z50s Pro, its camera system. The phone sports a powerful setup, including a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with macro support, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with OIS and 6x optical zoom. The main camera impresses with an aperture of 5.21mm at 35mm focal length, surpassing other 1-inch main cameras in the same category. Notably, the Z50s Pro offers unique camera modes like Humanistic Street Photography 2.0, capturing the essence of urban life, and Night Mandrel 2.0, which effectively solves ghosting problems in highlight motion shooting, improving adaptive contrast by 40%. For those looking for something extra special, the phone offers a special edition variant featuring a mesmerizing rainbow holographic ring-on, the camera module, and a Carrara white back that produces a captivating holographic effect. The Z50s Pro will be available in China from July 27th, with prices starting from around $570 for the base model. So, what are your thoughts on the ZTE Nubia Z50s Pro? Is it worth buying? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Android news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.